Good morning, student. And this lecture is for class 10, and the chapter name is light, which is belongs to the physics. Okay, class 10 and physics. This is the very first chapter of physics. So let us talk about the important topic that we have to cover in this chapter. The first one is reflection and then refraction, and we have to talk about the refractive index then. And after that, glass slab, which includes lateral displacement, as well as Snell's law, which is also called law of diffraction. Then a regular prism and angle of deviation, and the ray of light passes through the prism that we have to study in this unit. The factor on which angle of deviation depends, we have to study these things. And again, then minimum angle deviation and condition of minimum deviation, which is very important for the perspective of your examination. It is being asked in many of the examination. And then real depth and as well as apparent depth. And then we have to cover in this lecture is reflection. So what is reflection? Like, listen, when the change, it is just the change of direction of ray when light strike the boundaries between the medium. Okay, suppose this is the boundary of two mediums. Suppose this one is one medium and this is another medium. When a ray is strike on this beam of light, we can say it is incident ray. Okay, when incident ray strike on this boundary, it will bouncing back in same medium with certain angle, so that is called reflection. Okay, of course reflection can be based on the two surface, that is regular reflection and irregular reflection. In case of highly polished mirror, like you can take the example of course mirror. So in that case what happens, the regular reflection occurs. Okay, and in case of regular reflection what happens, like when you incident ray strike on the not smooth as well as not polished surface like wood and wall, so in that case what happens, irregular reflection occurs. Okay, so let us talk about the law of reflection, which is which might you study in the last class, in previous classes. So if we talk about the law of reflection, like we know that this is the plane and this is incident ray and this is called normal and this reflected ray. Listen, normal is the line which makes 90 degree at the plane is said to be the normal. Okay, so according to law of reflection, what happened that, and the first of it you need to know about this one. What is angle I? Angle I is the angle between the normals and the incident ray. Okay, so that's why it is called angle of incidence. And then angle of reflection, which is angle between the normals and reflected ray, so that is called angle of reflection. So according to law of reflection, incident ray, normals and reflected ray are on the same plane, okay, at a certain point. This is our first rule, and the rule is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So this is the law of reflection which I have mentioned here. Angle I equals to R, and then incident ray, normals as well as reflected ray are on the same plane. Okay. Move forward. We have to discuss about the refraction now. Refraction is something like the deviation of path of light when it passes through one medium to another having a different density. Listen, if we really have to understand the refraction, we need to understand two more things. One is rare medium and another is denser medium. So if we talk about what is rare medium is like air, in which the speed of light is maximum. Like this is called rare medium in air as well as in vacuum. But if you talk about denser medium, it includes the like glass or water, in which what happens, the speed of light decreases. So like in case of refraction, what happens when the ray of light passes from rare medium to denser medium? The ray of light, denser medium, the ray of light, okay, passes to the another medium and with some deviation. Okay, so that is called refraction. यानी कि एक मीडियम से दूसरे मीडियम में पास कर जाता है विच सम डेविएशन, तो उसे हम कहते हैं रिफ्रैक्शन कहते हैं. ओके, सो देखो इसमें 3 केसेस होते हैं. इसमें 3 केसेस होते हैं. चलो मैं यहाँ पे थोड़ा डिस्कस कर लेता हूँ कि क्या केसेस होते हैं. लिसन, फर्स्ट केस क्या होता है आपके पास. दिस इज प्लान व्हेन अ रे ऑफ when incidence ray strike on this boundary, what happen? Like this is normal and this is rare medium and this is denser medium. When the ray of light passes from rare medium to denser medium, it will bend towards the normal. Okay, ये normal की तरफ सट जाएगा. तो इसे हम लोग कहेंगे क्या, ये हो गया फर्स्ट केस आपके पास, ठीक है ना. एंड इन केस ऑफ अनदर केस, एंड द सेकंड केस इज व्हेन द रे ऑफ लाइट, ओके, व्हेन द रे ऑफ लाइट पासेस फ्रॉम डेंसर मीडियम टू रेयर मीडियम. दिस इज डेंसर मीडियम एंड दिस इज रेयर मीडियम. तो इस केस में क्या होगा कि ये जो नॉर्मल है ना आपका, ये नॉर्मल है. व्हेन रे ऑफ लाइट स्ट्राइक ऑन दिस बाउंड्री, इट विल्स, if this is the normal day and it will move away from the normal like this one. Okay, so that would be a case second. In case of when light passes from denser medium to rare medium, the light away from the normals, and in case of when the light passes from rare medium to denser medium, it will move towards the normal. Okay, and in case of third equation, in case of third case, what happened? When the incidence ray strike at a 90 degree, then the refracted ray, okay, which is also at 90 degree. This is the third case.